Hello guys, today I will tell you the 4 tips how to handle your mood swings. Because if you have mood swings, it's very hard to manage your daily schedule and become a successful person. So it's very important for you to know how to manage the mood swings. And before it, you should know what is mood swings. Mood swings is unexpected emotions which we don't expect, and it is a very disturbing emotions which comes unexpected in unexpected way. So I think 99% of you who is watching me know about the mood swings. So this is the issue which is very common among the youth, among Delhi, among UPSC aspirant, and among everyone. So let's talk about the solution. The first step of solving the mood swings is fix your sleeping pattern. If you wake up and sleep at the same time, there is a quote that your 50% problems of life get away. ऐसे ही चला जाता है. अगर आप टाइम पे सोते हो, टाइम पे उठते हो, तो लाइफ की आधी से ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम तो ऐसे ही ख़त्म हो जाती है. What is the second tip? The second tip is you have to eat the right things. कहते हैं ना कि जैसा खाओ अन्न वैसा रहे मन. तो यू हैव टू ईट द राइट फूड, राइट डाइट्स. ट्राई टू ईट वेजिटेरियन फूड. ट्राई नॉट टू ईट टू मच onion in that also. Try to eat in the fixed time period, like in morning, afternoon and night. And the most important thing here you have to notice, you should have done your dinner before 8 p.m. in the night. You must have seen Virat Kohli, Anushka. In interview they used to say, many other celebrities, they used to say they have done their dinner before 8 p.m. because this is the rule everyone follows, and it keeps our body, mind, spirit in balance. So we should try to finish our dinner before 8 p.m. This is the second point. Our food and the timing of food should be fixed. Our sleeping should be fixed. What is the third tip? The third tip is try to do yoga and meditation. Try to walk if you don't if you feel boring doing meditation. If you feel boring doing yoga, you can go to gym, you can go to walk. I think doing gym is very cool for many of people. So you can go to gym as alternative. It also helps us to boost our mind and stay stable mentally. So physical activity is very must. You should have 30-minute physical activity in your whole 24 hours. This is very must. The third point we need to remember is 30-minute physical activity is must in all 24 hours. So this is the third rule you have to follow. What is the fourth rule? The fourth rule, as much as I can remember, is you should keep the healthiest relationship with everyone. At least 2-3 people should be there. You should have a consistent conversation with, either it could be your mother, it could be your closest friend, it could be your father, it could be your sister. So keep at least one friend, at least one someone fix whom with you can talk every day. And here is the thing which we need to note, that आप note करना कि when you talk with someone continuously, when you discuss your problem with him or her, you feel like you are growing 1% every day. For example, I have a friend currently, and when I discuss my problem with her, I feel कि I don't repeat that mistake again. So discussing your problems with your closest friend do matters. It helps you to grow. It works for you. So these are the 4 tips you should follow to avoid your mood swings and make your life happy.